遇难时年仅16岁，是雪花电气公司技术学校1年级学生。6月4日凌晨，在长安街西单民族宫前，为救援伤员，被子弹击中右肋、肝部，子弹为炸子，肝部粉碎，送北京积水潭医院，已无法手术。凌晨5时死于手术室。周新明的父亲周国林是北京变压器厂干部，于2020年因病去世。母亲穆怀兰与周国林是同厂职工，于2024年1月去世。夫妻俩育有2个孩子，周新明是他们的小儿子。他们怎么也想不到自己的儿子，一个年仅16岁、尚未成年的花季少年，会死在军人的枪口之下，甚至使用的是国际禁用炸子，致使周信明肝脏粉碎，无法救治。这是令人发指的事實。
周恩明遇難時年僅16歲，係雪花電氣公司技術學校1年級學生。6月4號凌晨，喺長安街西單民族宮前，為救助傷患，被子彈擊中右肋骨。子彈類型係達姆彈，佢嘅肝部被子彈粉碎，送到北京積水潭醫院，即刻進行手術，亦無補於事。凌晨5點，周恩明死於手術室。周恩明嘅父親周國林係北京電壓器廠幹部，喺2020年因病去世。母親穆懷蘭同周國林係同廠職工，於2024年1月去世。佢哋兩夫婦育有2個孩子，周恩明係佢哋細仔。佢哋點都估唔到自己個仔，一個年僅16歲、尚未成年嘅少年，會死喺軍人嘅槍口之下，甚至使用嘅係國際禁用嘅達姆彈，致使周恩明肝臟粉碎，無法救治。呢個係一個令人發指嘅事實。
Zhou Xinming, a first-year student at the Technical School of Snowflake Electrical Appliances Company, was only 16 years old when he was killed. On the early morning of June 4th, while trying to rescue injured citizens in front of the Nationalities Palace on West Chang'an Avenue, Zhou Xinming was hit in his right rib cage by a dum-dum expanding bullet. The bullet shattered his liver. He was taken to Jishuitan Hospital, but his condition was so bad that the surgery could no longer save him. He died in the operating room at 5 o'clock in the morning. Zhou Xinming's father, Zhou Guolin, was a carder at a factory in Beijing. He died in 2020 due to illness. Zhou Xinming's mother, Mu Huailan, who had worked at the same factory, died in January 2024. The couple had 2 children, Xinming being their youngest. They could never imagine that their son, a 16-year-old boy who had not yet reached adulthood, would lose his life at the hands of martial law troops. It's appalling and unforgivable that the martial law troops used ammunition banned by international laws, the expanding bullets called dum-dum.